Hi guys, this is Ryan. We are taking a look at this Vention power bank. So this is a 27,000 mAh power bank from Vention. And as you can see, we have the branding there, 27,000 mAh power bank. And we're gonna go straight to the unboxing. Now, this is compatible for all our gadgets needing power. So we have all the specs there, and now let's go to the unboxing. We're gonna unbox this one. And as we open it slowly, there you go. Now the box contains our user manual, so 27,000 mAh, and we have these two side pockets there. So first we have here this USB type C to type C cord. So this is used for charging. By the way, this is a high-speed cord for charging our devices. And then on the other side, we have here a portable pouch from Vention. So this will be where we will place the power bank. And of course, now we have the power bank itself. So this is 27,000 mAh capacity. So it comes in this aluminum good case, and we have here USB type C, USB type C, USB type A, and we of course we have there a power button. Now overall, the material is solid, and now we will try to power this on. So as we power this on, the digital display lights up. Now this is where everything is indicated, the charging, how much percentage the power output. So this is a good power bank because it has this display. So it has ultra high power output, PD 3.1, so you can charge 3 devices at once. And also it has fast input charging, which supports 140 watts input for a full charge in about 1 hour and 35 minutes. Now that's about it for our Vention 27,000 mAh power bank. See you next time. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe.